And so part of what I'm trying to do tonight as this conversation kicks off and through the activities that we might try together is to think about how we might change the narrative. How might we think rather than falling down the spiraling rabbit hole of, oh my gosh, everything is terrible, and again, whether or not the DSM-5 has properly labeled things as being addictive or not, we're not going to get into all that conversation. But what I would like to talk about is whether or not we are actually asking the right questions. What is it that we really are getting to when we're asking these questions? Are they questions about the devices themselves? Are they questions about our children's mental health? Are they questions that might be a little bit deeper about the structure of schooling and the ways in which we enact schooling? And even as we've moved and made this sudden move to emergency remote teaching and now a little bit more intentional remote teaching here in the fall of 2020, I wonder, are we asking the right kinds of questions? And so tonight is about helping you reframe the questions. And we will do that by sharing some activities together and thinking through what they might look like to move towards the stance of digital diligence.